good morning students. Welcome to today's live class. In our today's live class, we are going to start with a new chapter, that is fractions 2. Fractions 2. In this chapter, we will learn about proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions and their conversion. Okay. But today we will study a glimpse of it. Okay. So the name of your chapter is Fractions 2. Fractions 2. Okay. Now before going into depth, let us just recall what we have studied before. Fraction is nothing but a part of a whole. Fraction is nothing, a part of a whole. We can represent fraction in the form of n by d, where n stands for numerator, and d stands for denominator. Okay, any number represented in the form of n by d, or you can say it as any number represented in the form of numerator by denominator is termed as a fraction. Okay, now under this fraction there are many types. One of its type is a proper fraction. Okay, number one type is proper fraction. Okay, proper fraction. Now what is a proper fraction? Proper fraction is a kind of fraction in which the numerator is lesser than the denominator. Numerator is lesser than the denominator. Okay. Now for example, 2 by 4, 5 by 7, etc. Now in these two fractions, what do you see? 2 is smaller than 4 and 5 is smaller than 7. So any fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator is called as proper fraction. Okay. Now we have one more type. What is the other type? The other type is improper fraction. The other type is improper fraction. Okay. Now what is an improper fraction? Improper fraction is a type of fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. For example, suppose 11 by 7, 8 by 3, etc. Now you see here, 11 is greater than 7, 8 is greater than 3. So what we see here, numerator is greater than the denominator. So such kind of fractions where numerator is greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. Okay. Now there is one more fraction in it. What is the other fraction? The other fraction is mixed fraction. Okay. Now what is a mixed fraction? A mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number plus a fraction. Okay, mixed fraction is a combination of whole number plus a fractions. For example, 3 1 by 2. Remember students, this fraction can be anything, can be proper or improper. Now 3 1 by 2, here 3 is your whole number and half 1 by 2 is a fraction. So the combination of a whole number and a fraction is called as a mixed fraction. Okay. So now you all know that what is proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Now what we are going to see is how do we convert a improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Okay, how do we convert conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay. Now, improper fraction is what? Where the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay. Now, suppose I take a number 11 by 7. Now, this 11 by 7, you have to convert it to a mixed fraction. That means it should have a whole number and a fraction. Now, what I do, I divide this 11 by 7. 7 ones are 7 minus what you get? You get 4. Correct? Now, if we have to represent this improper fraction in terms of mixed fraction, we always represent in the form QR by D. Okay? What we represent? QR by D. Now, Q is nothing but your question. R is the remainder. R is the remainder and D is the divisor. Okay? After you perform division, you can easily write it in a mixed fraction if you remember this particular formula or this particular trick. Now, my question here is what? 1. What is my remainder? 4. What is my divisor? 7. So, this 1 4 by 7 is equal to 11 by 7. In this way, you are going to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Okay, this is the way to convert. Okay, we will see one more example so that you will be little more clear. Now, suppose I take a number 8 by 3. What I do first, I divide 8 by 3. 3 3s are 9, so I take 3 2s are 6. I get 2. Correct? Now what I do, I have to represent in the form QR by D. This is a trick to remember how to write it in mixed form. So Q stands for question. I write 2 here. Then R remainder again 2. Divisor is my 3. So 2 by 3 is equal to 8 by 3. This is the way to convert a improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Okay. So as of today, this is just a glimpse of your chapter. We will study in depth of it in the next class. Okay. Thank you students. Thank you so much.